What's up, everybody, and welcome to another week of Pree Dis. Of course, my name is Kruddy, and right now we're here at the National Stadium for the Boom Badda Dan. It's all about dancers, dance up, and they're all vying for $10,000 US. So right now it's all about Pree Dis, and for the next half an hour, entertainment and lifestyle brought to you, the finest style across the Caribbean. So keep it locked. Pree Dis starts right now. So before it's all about Pree Dis, and we kick off this week's show with highlights from this event, the Boom Badda Dan. And you know, 14 teams entered, and let's see who's sitting at the top right now. Pree Dis, Badda Dan, boom.
The first staging of the Boom Badda Dan Dance competition took place recently at the stadium basketball courts in Kingston. 16 dance crews battled for the ultimate prize of $10,000 US and bragging rights. Among the dance crews were Simply the Best, Nalaf Skankers, Ukubit, Shady Squad, and Extreme Pushers. The dance crews displaying great technique and choreography included Shady Squad, Nalaf Skankers, and the dark horse in the competition, Extreme Pushers. However, it was Extreme Pushers and Shady Squad that made it into the final two. Before the winners were announced, dancehall artist J Capri kept the crowd moving to hits such as Pull It to My Bumper, Wine and Catch, and Reverse It. Dancehall artist Popcorn was also in his element. Sound system Chromatic with DJ Shantonio rocked the crowd with the latest dancehall hits. Dancer and judge Chad Torrington, better known as Global Bob, explains how the winner was chosen.
The judging criteria, we're looking for creativity, originality, who was the most authentic dancehall group, meaning who did 99% dancehall and not other influences of dancehall. We show authentic dancehall and their presentation, their delivery, their execution. That's what we're looking for. They started off pretty weak, the dance groups, but they picked up the energy. So that made it very challenging because they had groups like Shady Squad, Extreme Dancers, Nalaf Dancers. They really brought the energy. Also Team Caution. They started out very weak, but they picked up the energy. So it was a very difficult decision to say, okay, this group, they was to drop out or choose a winner. It was pretty difficult in the latter part, but excellent competition. Big up, Boom.
Kimberly Lawson, brand manager for Boom Energy Drink, says the competition will continue until next year.
This event is a dream come true for us that we sing. It's a dream come true for Boom. This is something we see every single week in the dance halls. We don't really see the dancers being recognized or even put on a platform such as this for their talent, for what they bring to dancehall, for how they enhance our culture. And let me tell you, this event here today that you're witnessing, it is going to be the start of something very, very, very big in Jamaica. Very big. I would say objective achieved. I think the dancers understand how we recognize them. I think they appreciate it. And I think that they're having fun in their kingdom right now. I think they are. Going forward, we're going to be doing this every single month at an event to be announced. The idea is that we were building the hype for the finale, which is this. So we're doing it in reverse right now. We're showing them what we really want it to be. And then for the coming months, they're going to be battling. They're going to be actual live battles. People are going to be voting on who their favorite battlers or dancers are, and we're going to carry them forward until the competition.
And the winner of the Boom Badda Dan Dance competition is Extreme Pushers Dance Crew.
Yo, feel like a dream come true. I the best thing ever happened. I swear, best thing ever happened. Boom, come up with the right idea. You hear that?
Yeah, man, blessings, man. Much respect.
Here now is a snapshot of the dance crews which competed in the Boom Badda Dan Dance competition.
Right now you're watching Pree Dis. We're going for a first commercial break, and it's brought to you by Sip Spring Water. Keep it locked. We're soon forward.